So whenever you get a flank steak home, first thing you want to check is to see how much fat you have on the outside of the steak. A little bit's okay, but if there's excess amount of fat, you want to go ahead and trim it. In this particular piece of flank steak, there's not a lot of fat, but there are a few pieces, so we're going to go ahead and remove the fat. Now, if you get a skirt steak and you use that instead, typically skirt steak does have a little bit more fat, so you'll definitely want to trim any excess fat from the skirt steak. And we're going to flip and check both sides. And like I said, a little bit of fat's okay. Fat is a lot of times just a lot of really excellent flavor. Got a good little fat cap right here that I'm just going to go ahead and chop off. A little bit more. There's a little bit of silver skin that I'm going to go ahead and remove as well. And once I get this piece off, our flank steak will be ready to go.